Hello guys, welcome back to a new video. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add sticky add to cart on Shopify. So just please follow my steps until the end and let's begin the tutorial. And so at the beginning, the first thing we need to do, we need to go and open our browser. In that case, I'm going to use Google Chrome, and then we need to go to Google. And from Google, I'm going to search for Shopify, and then I'll open Shopify here, the official link, and I'll go to log into my store on Shopify.com. And so whenever you log in successfully, you have multiple options over here, such as home, orders, products, and so on. But we need to go here to this option which says apps. And we click on it over here, and then we search for Unblinky Sticky Card, and we click on it over here. And now we will be directed here to this page, and as you can see, we have a free plan available for the first 7 days as a free trial. And so we're going to click on install over here, and now choose install once again. And now we have these two plans, a professional plan and basic plan. This one is free and this is a free trial. You can choose between any of these. So I choose this one here, the free plan. I click on it. In here we have the overall settings such as general, so we can display on all devices, desktop, mobile phones, and display after the visitor scroll. You can choose and customize all these options one by one. You have animation here, you have a location, you can put it top on the screen or bottom on the screen, and also we can double check this information such as Google Analytics integration and display on all pages and automatically pick up color. And if you like to customize the color by yourself, just click on here and you can change the front and background color, the font size, padding size, and so on. And also we can go here to custom CSS, and also we can change this by coding, but I'm not good at coding, so I'll go to advanced directly. And here we have the cart mode could be normal, direct. You can change the advanced mode. You can change the bottom of the CSS calc selector, offset, and the custom HTML code, and so on and so forth, in multiple options. And then whenever you get done with all of these options, just go click here on enable to enable the sticky card for your Shopify store. At the end, that was all today's video. If you found this very helpful, please don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and also you can leave us a comment down below in the comment section to let us know if the video is helpful. And thanks for watching.